Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you an utility I've created called Inliner. It's a tool used to inline HTML files. It supports CSS and JavaScript, and it allows the creation of single page applications or websites easily. So here we have a simple HTML5 website which has a script that refers to a local file, and we are another script tag that references to jQuery library from the web, and the main.js file just uses a simple query that locates any div or any element that has the fancy text class and sets its text to hello world. Here in our style.css we have a simple animation that just scales the text around, and the fancy text class which just allows the change the font from normal to Comic Sans and plays the animation. So currently we have the website over here. As you can see, it's running, and the code is just using the link and script tag, and here everything is like working as intended. But there's cases like if you would like to increase the loading speed of your website, or you would just like to pack your website into a single page where you would have to copy all of these files or use a tool like Webpack or Rollup, for example. But some of these tools does not support like directly inlining JavaScript source code. So this is where Inliner comes into play. It comes in two flavors, a GUI flavor and a command line interface, which is cross-platform, works in Mac, Linux and Windows, but the GUI version, since it uses like Windows Presentation Foundation, works only on Windows. So it's simple. You just click on this button to select your HTML file or HTML file. Check these boxes if you would like to inline JavaScript and CSS, or one of them or none of them. Then click on the process button over here. As you can see, it will automatically detect that we are referring to a URL, download it. It will read the file that's local, and it will read the other file from the local disk. Then it will write the output file and just log done. Once this is complete, you can go to your project or whatever you or your folder and select the output file, and if you open it in the browser, you will see that everything is exactly as it is. If we check the page source, you can see that everything has been inlined and everything inlined correctly, and everything is working as intended. A better view would be viewing the source code, as you can see over here. And not only it supports inlining for JavaScript libraries, you can download external files like say Bootstrap from a CDN. Let's take this link for example. Go to our file, replace the style.css, you know what, keep it, and link another one. As you can see, if we go to the original page, sorry, this is incorrect. Let's go to our file over here. Let's go to the index.html file. Cut this one, go to the index file, paste it again over here. Okay, let's open the browser and refresh the original one, the original website. And as you can see, the script, the links are attached and everything. But if you would like to inline this, you can go ahead and select the file and click on process, and it will download all the required files excuse me, and inline all of the local files as well by reading them from the local storage. As you can see, if we go to the index.html file that's inlined, you can see everything is inlined correctly with no overlaps or errors. Like there's a single one over here that might say there is a missing parentheses or something, but you know, this is just because the file is uglified. But if you go to the website, the inlined one, let's refresh it, and if we check the console, there is no errors at all. which is perfect. So if you're interested, the tool will be linked in the description of this video. Thank you for watching and good luck.